This is a brief history of geometry. Broken down, geometry literally means earth measure. From 2000 to 500 BC, Egyptians and Babylonians demonstrated practical knowledge of geometry. For example, the pyramids. They also used geometry to measure the changes in water level of the Nile. In 500 BC, a man named Pythagoras formulated principles that would influence all mathematicians to come. Does the Pythagorean theorem sound familiar? In this cartoon, some Pythagoreans are making fun of Pythagoras for naming the longest side of a right triangle a hypotenuse. In 300 BC, Greek mathematician Euclid created the Elements, a work considered to be the basis of modern mathematics. It examined the applications of geometry in astronomy, the study of stars, cartography, the making of maps, and paintings. There are two types of mathematical rules, postulates and theorems. Postulates are rules that are known to be true, and theorems are rules that must be proven. In 1600 AD, Descartes connected algebra with geometry. Supposedly, he connected the idea of locating points on a plane with a pair of numbers while lying in bed watching a fly, probably because he slept in past 11 o'clock every day. To begin the study of geometry, there are basic symbols and meanings one must master: point, line, and plane. A point is denoted as a dot, a line has arrows at each end showing that it continues, and a plane is represented as a flat shape in space. A line segment has points at each end or endpoints that show it is finite. A ray has one endpoint and continues on from that endpoint, which is denoted with an arrow. An angle is created when two rays share the same endpoint and is measured in degrees. With this knowledge, you can begin a successful year in geometry.